What's up, everybody? So today's video, something a little different. I'm going to be talking about a recent webinar I did with our customers. We talked about how to make money online using freelancing, using Fiverr, using Upwork, and how to go from, like, maybe you lost your job last year in 2020, you're laid off from work, you're furloughed, you're sitting at home. What are you going to do? There is no reason that you or anyone, myself or anybody else, can't make at least 3,000 a month, if not even more, freelancing from home in your spare time. Yeah, you're going to put in the work, but it can be done. Just take a look at this example. It's not like there's a product to buy here. This is just someone 29 years old, Austin, Texas. She quit her job and now works from home. This is one of so many that I found. People that like live in New York City and they freelance on Fiverr, making over $150,000 per year online, pre-tax. So, after taxes, the self-employment taxes, living in New York City, it can add up. Maybe you're taking home 100,000. But the thing is, people ask me, like, how do I make money online? Like, I don't know how. I bought these courses. I went to this seminar. I went to this webinar, and then it's not working for me. Like, you got to put in the work. So you sign up for Fiverr. You just head over to Fiverr. I've spent a heck of a lot of money every single month on Fiverr. With Upwork, I've spent something like $100,000 in my Upwork account over the years to multiple companies. I know these things work. I know if you have any type of skill, you can go on as a voiceover actor. You can go on as a SEO expert, as a consultant, or you're doing basic graphics. Here's one that I use all the time for all my YouTube thumbnails that you see. I use Kaya 1000. Amazing. I spend $5 and he gives me two of them. So all the beautiful YouTube thumbnails you see are done by him. Now, how much does he make? I don't know. But I gave him a tip of $15 the other day. I'm like, you're awesome. Does it really matter? He's from Indonesia. So let's see. He's got 1,000 reviews. He's probably doing like $100 a day minimum, maybe $200 a day in Indonesia. That's amazing. He may be making as much as money as me in my company. Like, that's how good he's doing. He's one of the top sellers on Fiverr, just doing thumbnails on YouTube. So if you're saying that, like, you're struggling to making money, there is so much opportunity out there, right? It's creating a simple system, finding your niche, specific niche. And we did a survey of my customers, and 85% said they made no money in their agency last year. And only one person could tell me, like, I want to specifically focus on one niche, and this is what I want to do. So that's the problem. You haven't thought out through. If you're not making any money online, it's not because you can or you don't have the skills. It's just you just haven't thought through the process. Maybe you're just like in the entertainment phase of like, oh, it's cool. I'm going to watch some videos on YouTube, how to make money. Oh, this Fiverr thing's cool. Crypto's cool. Doing this is cool. Well, guess what? There's people actually putting in full-time work or even part-time work, making full-time money. Now, I personally work something like, I don't know, 30 hours per week, maybe 40 hours per week at best. And I can tell you that most people that work from home, they have full-time jobs. They're not working full-time hours. Like, even if you have a full-time job, half the time is spent really not even being productive. And if you use the 80-20 rule, if you look at a company like Tesla or Apple or Microsoft, really only 5 people in that company move the company forward. You might have 1,000 employees, but there's also like, it's a massive amount of waste. And you're going to see this in the government as well, of course. Government's going to do huge amounts of spending now, thanks to all this stimulus, all these bailouts. All this waste is coming through. So money's out there, opportunities out there, but the way to get it for sure is open up a Fiverr account. Look to see, like, what kind of skills do you have? Or can you find someone in the Philippines or Indonesia, someone that's talented that wants to partner up with you? You develop the process and you split the proceeds. There's so much opportunity out there to run the legitimate business. You don't have to create the next big thing. You can sell t-shirts. You can sell just like basic clothes, basic food items. You can flip products on Amazon, on eBay. Right now, I'm hiring a bunch of people on Upwork, and for every different type of position. So let's just look at the Fiverr. Like, the opportunity is endless here. All these different things can be found on Upwork too. So you get some stuff done here on the Fiverr, you turn it into a business, And then you start approaching these customers and say, hey, I'm on Upwork too, or you want to contact me via my business. I build a quick business website for free. And then start offering local SEO to display it in advertising, right? What if I offered, so I run a YouTube ads agency. What if I went on Fiverr? Is that like something beneath me that I cannot do? Or what if I opened up an account on Upwork? Is that like, again, beneath me where, I'm too good for that? So you might have to kind of like check your own ego and saying like, okay, maybe I'm not making any money because I just don't want to do the work, or I feel like that's below me, or I'm too skilled to do that. So you might be thinking in a different way, and opportunities out there. So I know a lot of people have been saying that, like, yeah, I'm not making the money I want to make, and so I can tell you could open up an account right now and get started today, just pushing out articles. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure that almost every single person listening to this video has really good English skills that they can go on here and write English SEO articles, article writing. This is what I did when I first started online. This is in maybe 2008, 2009, after the financial crash. I could not find a job. And so I started creating articles, and I was getting paid as an affiliate marketer. But what if you got paid straight up front? Well, I didn't have Fiverr back then. I didn't have this opportunity. You have so much more opportunity now. So you start here, you start offering for $5, but let's see, the average one, look, it's starting at $40. It's starting at $85. Are you kidding me? These aren't even Fiverr gigs anymore. They used to be $5. But these people who are writing these articles, they actually look like mostly, say, Western countries. So there's opportunity out there. Or you could ask me for a job. We're hiring media buyers, a social media manager, accountant, a virtual assistant. Just there's opportunity out there. Or I have clients that potentially need article writers like this. They have a system in place. They do article writing. I can refer them over to you. Oh, so much opportunity. So if you're not making at least 3,000 to 5,000 per month, just go on Fiverr. And I think the best thing to do, if you're saying you don't have any digital marketing skills, you don't have any graphic skills, you're not a programmer, you can learn this stuff for free, by the way, on YouTube. But if you can't do any of that, the one thing all of us, almost all of us, 99% of us can do today is start writing articles. So that's what I would do if I would restart again, which, I've been there, done that. And just through my article writing, I was able to make maybe $200 or $300 a month. But I was doing it as an affiliate and waiting 3 months to get paid out through ClickBank, through these affiliate programs. Now you have opportunity to do something like, let's just take a look at one of these. That's German. Let's just click on one. This one looks like it's pretty new. 11 11 orders in queue. Times 35, maybe like he has standard. So the average one's $50. So he has $600 right here, minimum. Level 1 seller, meaning that he's not like a higher ranked in Fiverr. Like, so there's people making a heck of a lot more. So that means he's making at least what, 1,000 a month? 5-star articles, good reviews. According to Search Engine Journal, the quality of your content is the most critical thing ranking. Bam. It's a good little, just add some copy to your listing, and now you have a job. And this is like freelance work, right? So essentially you're starting your own business. You get home business benefit write-offs. If you're looking for tax benefits, you can go out overseas and become a digital nomad and essentially just write Fiverr gigs and make a heck of a lot more money than working a normal job in your own country. So there's opportunity everywhere. You just have to go and explore and see what is out there. So if you like videos like this, should I make more videos like this? Let me know. I'd be curious to see. Would you like me to dive more into Fiverr, how to creating a Fiverr business? And there's actually some really, really good videos that dive into this more deep. I will link them down below in the description. And as always, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave comments. It helps the algorithm. And I am a growing channel. We're trying to get over to 10,000 subscribers. So click that little subscribe button, as I usually put out 5 to 10 videos just like this. I'm not really that great at YouTube, so I prefer you guys give me some comments so we can start getting the algorithm a little bit in our favor. Sorry. All right, I just want to get to 10 minutes so we can stop the recording. All right, see you in the next one.